Here's one of the newer Green Line trains. Never ridden one of these before.
Finally getting a CAF Type. Alright, off on this one.
Yeah, this is cool. Sick. This is awesome.
I'm gonna go by the Wesley.
Yeah, me too. I think we all are.
There's the new tap gear reader.
Nice.
It is.
I've never ridden one of these before. So I said, I'm going to need that battery pack.
Okay. Once we get out here.
Should I get out of here too? Oh, jeez.
Wesley, if you can get me that battery pack, that would be much appreciated.
Right now?
Well, I'm starting to run low.
All right, just go through my bag and see if you can find it. It's a big bricky
Wesley,
thing.
you're holding that up so high.
Yeah, I am.
Am I in the right couch? I'm in the back one.
Yeah, the main one, yeah.
Okay, there's your wallet. I don't want that. Is it at the bottom?
Yeah. Yeah, that's it.
I don't have it's got no USB-C connector.
Oh, it doesn't?
No.
Oh, okay. My bad.
You have a cord that charges your phone in here?
Yes, I do.
That'll work.
Awesome.
This thing is butter.
It is.
Tell me best not to make a mess here, but...
Nah, you're good.
No, does it just turn on automatically, or do I have to hit a button?
Press the green button and then you're good to go.
Did you charge? Oh, yeah, there we go.
I fully charged it.
Nick's trying to charge his camera.
Yep.
Are we running slow, or is that me?
Approaching Arlington. Doors will open on the right. Change here for bus connections.
It's the same Google voice also.
I think it is, yeah. Gotta let them on and people off.
Let's go one more stop.
Yeah, let's do it.
Go ahead. You guys got it.
No, you're good.
Stand clear of the closing doors.
Oh, nice. It even tells you the connections right there.
Yeah, they got two separate screens for that.
Yeah.
This is nice.
It is nice, yeah.
You know what's also nice is that these are sliding, because I don't know if you noticed the jackknife ones, they always get caught on the platform
They do,
sometimes.
yeah.
With this design, it's less likely to happen.
These trains are way quieter too.
They are.
Yeah, they are.
I'm getting off at Cleveland Circle.
Okay.
Yeah, it says CAF right there too. Yeah, CAF 9.
Next stop, Copley.
We're gonna get off at Copley, get the green branch, and then we're gonna get the D branch. We're gonna get off at Heinz Convention. We're gonna get out of the system at Heinz Convention Center.
Okay.
There's Wesley in action.
Yep.
Stop requested. They're gonna keep making stops anyway.
If all else fails, I'll just finish this on my phone.
Yeah.
Approaching Copley. Doors will open on the
Okay.
right. Change here for bus connections.
These new trains are really nice.
They are. This is good.
It's less jerky too.
Let's go.
Charlie Reader.
So that was a new CAF 9.
I'm gonna watch this go.
Yeah.
So Eat Street comes first, and then I don't know what's next.
Okay.
all over this thing.
Let's just end here because the next train's all the way at North Station.
Sure.
Let's get out.
All right. Well, officially this train quick. First, look real quick. Nick, hang on. We're watching this train leave.
We're getting out here.
Yep, and that's around the new CAF 9. That's it.